Hi friends, good morning everyone. I hope all of you are doing good. Thanks for your support on Udemy and YouTube. Keep sharing our videos and keep providing your ratings, comments, appreciations, feedback, anything. It can be positive or negative improvement. So please do the support. And I came with this video to explain when you receive the stock or when you are picking the stock. If there is a shortage, if there is a shortage of stock, or what to do in warehouse management, how to handle the differences. So these kind of things. For now, today, we will see the process in receiving. You created a purchase order for 100 quantity and inbound delivery was also created for 100 quantity. So let me keep it in Excel sheet for an understanding. Okay. So created PO for 100 each. Inbound delivery also 100. Vendor confirmed that I'm sending you 100. So based on that, you created transfer order because you already come to know that 100 quantities received because you have a packing list with you. 100 each. But when the the warehouse member, when he actually goes and verify, he got only 99 quantity. So PO confirmed 99 quantity. Okay. So when you have these kind of a process, how do you handle? And this one quantity has to go to which position? So today we are going to learn that. So let us create a purchase order, ME21N. And okay, whenever you are doing some testing, try to use the old purchase order so that you can save a lot of time. So in the confirmations we have, because I am verifying confirmations, because I need the inbound delivery. So I'm ensuring that confirmation is available. I have 100 quantity based on our test plan, and remaining details all are available. Okay. And our focus areas, these things. Now I'm creating the purchase order. So purchase order is created, and this is the purchase order successfully created. Then we are going to create inbound delivery. So give the purchase order and click on enter. 100 quantities arrived. Everything is fine. Warehouse number has come automatically. Put away status is A and WM status is A. Okay. So I will definitely plan about these new fields which are available in S4 HANA. So which will be useful for EWM and how you are going to use it and all. In future, we can learn it. So you can go to the header and go to shipment. If there is any information like a bill of lading, BOL 2024001, whatever number. Generally, we use this external ID for storing certain information from the identification from the supplier. EXT ID 001. So this is the receiving plant. All the information is available. I'm going to save this inbound delivery. So after inbound delivery, the stock level we can see there will not be any kind of difference. LS26. So see here, yeah, once you create inbound delivery, so your the main stock 001, the 160 was available. It was still available like that. So there is no difference. But you see that one entry 902 100 negative is visible. So this 100 negative will be available until you finish the complete receiving process. Why it is 100 negative available? Because the stock still available as 60. Okay. So you can see here. It finished the previous one. We have 32N. You can see LS26 will not have any impact because of the inbound delivery creation. You can see that 160 quantity was available in 001. There are no entries available, although you created the inbound delivery. So once you start creating the transfer order, then only you will see the difference. BL33N. So the inbound delivery is 32. You can see 100. Go to subsequent functions, create transfer order. You can also create with VL06I transaction also. So click on this because you have a pallet management. So storage unit management. So each pallet you mentioned 50 quantity. So system created the 2 pallets, 50, 50. So transfer order is created based on our step. PO ME21N. We can put it like S number, document, quantity, unit of measure, and transaction code. Report. Okay. So these are available for us. And let's give some different color for this. Okay. So let us check the ME21N and VL31N transfer order LP03, or even you can use VL06I. Okay, you can use any of these things. Now we are going to do the confirm. /n LP12. Confirm. There are 50, 52 are there. So the main purpose of our video today is how to receive 99. Okay, LT12. So the first pallet 50 is okay, but second pallet 50, I don't want to have it. So difference indicator, I want to use it. There are two options are there. One is theft, another one is source storage bin. So this theft option mostly we may use when we are handling the picking process, because system is showing 100 quantity, but when you are going for a picking, means you want to remove for a sales process, you saw 99, then we give, not mostly, we give theft. So it will go to the 999 storage type as part of differences. You have to set the product in physical. If you find it, you can move back from 999 to your bin. If you don't find physical, then you have to declare as a loss by using LI21 transaction. Okay. But here, why I'm suggesting to keep it in source storage bin, based on the case, you can decide it also. Source storage bin, what happens? The one quantity will go back to 902. So you can wait until the quantity comes. You can get one more new transfer order to receive it once you find it. So anyway, I'm going to give you these two things. Theft. If you give theft, you are agreeing that the one quantity was lost in the warehouse. You have to declare as a loss. Who will bear the loss? Whether it is happened in the transit, those things you have to decide with vendor. But if you keep the source storage bin, the one quantity will be still hanging in 902, and you can receive later, or else you can decide to declare as loss by moving the stock to 902, make it nullify. You need to do it. Let us do this source storage bin, which is quite popular or quite suggested while receiving process. While picking, we use the theft. So here I'm not giving any difference. And what is the difference quantity? 1. Only one quantity was lost. So once you give the difference quantity 1, actual quantity automatically change it to 49. So one quantity and 49. Now we are going to save. System will give a pop-up because you gave the difference, right? It is saying that difference quantity. This difference quantity will go back to your storage bin and 902 storage type. Here the storage bin equal to purchase order number. Confirm difference. Difference is posted. Now you go to purchase order first. And here we got a new tab, right? Purchase order. History is not yet come because you have not done the goods receipt. But you can see the confirmation. Confirmation got the inbound delivery. Okay. 100 quantity inbound delivery is available. So now you go to inbound delivery and see the condition, how it is available. You put away only 99, but you received 100. If you want to do the GR, what you need to do, go to inbound delivery, change the delivery quantity to 99. Okay. So 99, then do the goods receipt. So goods receipt is posted and refresh your purchase order. You will get a new tab. New tab, purchase order history. So purchase order history got 99 quantity and the one quantity is still available. In future, vendor sends you that second, second packing list or second delivery, whatever you call. So when the one quantity comes, then you need to go to VL31N. He sends you one quantity. Create inbound delivery. LT03. So this is 133. Save it. LT12. And then VL32N for goods receipt. So here LT12 and 5 post goods receipt of 99 each by using VL32. Yeah, this is what we have done, right? So later one quantity was sent after 10 days or after 20 days or another shipment after 1 month. That can be, until that the one quantity will be hanging. This is the way how you are going to handle the receiving process. Okay. If the vendor inform you like you have to declare as a loss, then you receive 99 only, but that one quantity will go to 999, then you have to declare as a loss. So this is about how to handle the differences while receiving process. I hope you learn well in this video. If you have any feedback or any kind of a suggestions or compliments, whatever you want to talk about this video, you can provide as a comment. And thanks again for watching. We'll meet with another video. Thanks.